Hiring freelancers or independent contractors. Setting them up correctly in QuickBooks from the start makes year-end 1099 forms a breeze. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, when adding this vendor, go to the Expenses tab and create a new vendor. Fill in their name and address. Here's the key step: in their profile, make sure to check the box that says, Track Payments for 1099. You'll also need to enter their tax ID number. This is crucial. Next, every time you pay them, use the Bill Pay or Check feature and categorize the expense to an account that is 1099 eligible, like subcontractor labor or professional fees. QuickBooks will silently tally these payments in the background. My crucial pro tip: get a Form W-9 upfront. Before you pay a contractor their first dollar, have them complete a W-9. This ensures you have their correct legal name, address, and tax ID from day one, preventing a frantic scramble in January. With this setup, when it's time to file, QuickBooks can generate your 1099 NEC forms with just a few clicks. Do you work with many 1099 contractors? What's been your biggest challenge with the process? Let me know in the comments. For more guides that simplify tax season, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.